Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cheeseburger sliders. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, 1 package of Hawaiian rolls, 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1/3 cup of Thousand Island dressing, 12 pickles, 1/2 of a small onion diced, 1 tablespoon of butter melted, 1 tablespoon of sweet relish, sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning or the seasoning of your choice, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, and we're also going to need 8 to 10 slices of cheese. Okay guys, in a saucepan I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You want that to come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can add in your ground beef. You want to break down your meat and make sure it's well combined with your onions. Now you can add in your onion powder, your garlic powder, your adobo, and also your ground black pepper. And you want to mix it all in and continue to cook the ground beef until it's all the way brown. Once your ground beef is done, turn off your heat, remove it from your pan and drain it of all excess grease. Now return your ground beef back to the pan. Next we're going to add in our barbecue sauce, our sweet relish, our ketchup, and also our ground mustard. You want to mix it until everything is well combined, then you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, now you want to put your oven at 375 degrees and we're going to slice our rolls across in half. Okay guys, you want to put the bottom half into a baking dish. Now we're going to just layer it with our cheese. Okay guys, now you want to take your Thousand Island dressing and we're just going to spread it out over top of our cheese. Now we can begin to add our ground beef. Now we're going to go in again with another layer of cheese. Now we're going to add the top of our rolls. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our pickles. Now we're going to take our butter. We're just going to brush it on the top of our rolls. After you're done, we're going to take some of our sesame seeds and just sprinkle them over top. Okay guys, now they're ready to go into our oven at 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until all the cheese is melted and the tops are slightly toasted. Okay guys, so they are now done. You can see the tops are nice and crispy. Look over here, you can see the cheese is nice and melted. Guys, these are great to make for game day. Okay guys, so go ahead and take a good look. You can see the pickle, the melted cheese, and the ground beef. These are delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?